We're on a boat.
You say it many times already.
We're on a boat.
It's crazy.
We're on a boat.
Hi, this is Changwei from Hobo Venture.
This is Dan from Vagabond Awake.
So we are going for our bay tour.
Huatulco.
Exclusive bay tour. Wake up in the early morning again. We are leaving early, so the bay is less people around.
We're going to discuss each bay as we go and pass and show you where we had lunch and all the places you definitely want to see. No need to take notes, so there'll be a web page. Just click the link below this YouTube video with all the information so you'll know the bays and where to go to rent this trip and use our guide if you need. It's all there for you. Just enjoy the video and at the end you can get all the details. In terms of pricing, this one's about $17.50. We're on a private boat. It's about $150 all day. Here's another one for about $17.50. You get them all in the same place. So we're leaving from Playa Santa Cruz Bay.
Yeah.
That's over there.
We already been there.
That's the bay and beach nearest our house. So we go there all the time. We're told we'll see dolphins. Did you see a dolphin?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but this time you will see it very close to you.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a lot of school of dolphins.
They go to school in the mornings?
Yeah, I think I will teach you right now.
And also it's possible to see whales too. We're in the late November here. Well, there you go.
Waving. I don't think I was
Agustin Bay.
I thought the first one is a face stone.
That's the face stone over there. This one's called Magay Bay.
You can take a taxi to here. And then you can spend the time with here. There's in the weekend, it's a lot of people coming here for the family time. It's called the family-friendly beaches.
The bird's called Magay. That's why it's Magay Bay. So this is Kakaluta Bay. It's famous because from the air above it, you can see a heart shape. The beach is shaped like the pointy side of a heart, or the butt side, I guess you would say. Anyway, I bought a drone and we're going to see if I can film it.
This is the love shape of the beaches here, and the beach. And Daniel is doing the drone, and we will see how it's turning out.
Okay, you want to take off?
Ooh.
We're at the heart-shaped beach. Just tried out the drone.
Yeah.
Don't know if we got any footage yet.
I think this time we make very nice video and photo for this one.
Let's see.
And yeah.
It's our drone maiden voyage, so we'll see how it goes. So see how there's like a little bit of a point here, and then the beach curves in. It curves in like this over here, and it curves in like that over here. So we're in the butt part of the heart. That's our boat over there. We'll put a link. If you click the link, we'll put his phone number in there. What you doing, beautiful?
Nothing. Need to take more photos.
Okay. Reminds us a little bit of Peru and a little bit of the Galapagos.
So, how are you feeling about the bay tour?
I'm enjoying it. I thought it would be like really fast boat ride between the bays.
Yeah.
Because the motor is so big, but we're just kind of cruising along, which is nice.
Yeah. And you can stop whatever bay and you want to spend, how much time you want to spend over there is up to you.
Yeah, so it's a very relaxing day, and it feels good. I like it. I'm enjoying it. If you're enjoying this video, could you please click like, subscribe, comment, or share the video with a friend? It'll help our business. Thanks. So this bay over here is, or this beach is 𝐶𝐻𝐒𝐒, and behind us is India. Playa India over here, and this is supposed to be a great place to snorkel.
Yeah, snorkeling.
Right through here. So we're gonna throw this GoPro in a diving container and head down underwater. How's what? Hola.
Hola.
Peace. Prosperity.
Wow, beautiful photo here. Change positions.
𝐕𝐚𝐠𝐷𝐼𝐿.
On the bay, that's all.
Yeah? So which beach is this?
Here is San Agustin.
San Agustin?
Yeah.
Water seems really blue over here, doesn't it?
Yeah, and it's quite nice.
The sand's white, water's blue right here. So all these boat tours go to San Agustin, Playa San Agustin. That's where we are here.
Yeah.
They have food and restaurants and everything.
And the menu.
Okay.
Oh, we are in San Agustin Bay.
Yeah, check it out.
Very nice.
We'll give you the 360. As you can see, Chung's fully clothed because when you're at the beach a lot, you don't want the sun on you, so you just wear long clothes and you keep them wet, so it keeps you cool, and you're not putting suntan lotion in the water all the time. I don't have the pants, but I have the shirt on. That's why I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt.
Very beautiful water. Ooh.
We're on a boat.
You say it many times already.
We're on a boat.
It's crazy.
We're on a boat. Thanks for watching our video. Click the link in the notes below this video to get a copy of this content. Plus, grab a free copy of my ebook, How I Fired My Boss and Traveled the World for 13 Years. While you're there, check out our catalog of retired cheap reports all over the world and our hobby income course that we just released. Thanks so much.